Introduction. Evoxin is the manufacturer of commercial parking management systems (CPMS) that is incorporated in Malaysia. Our vision is to become one of the leading companies for parking solutions in Malaysia and around the region. Our core business is in the design and development of equipment, software applications, and solutions for the parking industry, and to endeavor to continuously improve our products in order to deliver true values to our customers. We have multi-cashless payment systems that supports touch and go, bank cards, and e-wallet. The first cashless payment system is payment through e-wallet, where you can make payments via e-wallet apps without having to go to any payment machine. The second one is e-wallet through autopay machine that uses e-wallet at the autopay machine itself. The third one is payment via cards through autopay machine. You can make payment via bank cards or touch and go card at the autopay machine itself.
Next is the explanation of current system. The current parking system that Vivacity Mega Mall use is autopay parking system. It dispenses ticket with venue, date, time, barcode, and few important notes. In line with the passage of time, Vivacity Mega Mall uses autopay machine for their parking payment method. However, the autopay machine only accepts notes instead of coins and cashless payment.
Problem statement. Current ticket machine parking system, especially when it comes to paying, has causes a long queue. Entering and exiting the mall takes time as people need to wait long time to take the ticket and exiting the parking premises. The button on the machine is pressed by many people and it is not frequently sanitized and cleaned. Especially during this pandemic of COVID-19, social distancing and keeping the machine frequently sanitized is very important, as we also want to prioritize the safety of our users.
Moving on to the objective of current systems, the first objective of the current system is to continuously improve their product in order to deliver true values to our customers. Next is to provide practical parking solutions using contemporary technology, and lastly is to transform their product into application devices.
The first scope for Vivacity Mega Mall is to improve the ticket parking machine system, which is before this all the customers are using autopay ticket parking machine. The autopay ticket parking machine is only eligible for the Vivacity Mega Mall's customers. However, it is not eligible for Vivacity Just Switch guests. The current system are being used by the customers of Vivacity Mega Mall is quite take a long time to queue up, especially during peak hours on weekends. In addition, with this COVID-19 pandemic, it is not suitable anymore as it has to sanitize every morning before the business operation to prevent the infection. Although it is just a one click of assistant, it is also taking a certain period of time as the technical support need to reset the system, and yet the autopay ticket parking machine is still unavailable or in a condition of no service.
This diagram shows the flow of the current parking system. Vivacity uses parking ticket to provide information about the visitors. Customers will get the ticket at the entrance barrier. The ticket will consist of information like location, date, time, parking type, barcode, and ticket ID. Customers will have to pay the fee at the autopay machine before exit. For damaged or lost tickets, customers will have to go to the customer service counter and a penalty fee will be incurred. Next is the input of the current system. The forms of input of the current parking system are date, time, and type of parking.
As for the output of the system, there are three types of car park, which are basement car park, multi-level car park, and premier car park. The basement and multi-level car park have the same parking rate, which is 3 ringgit for the first 2 hours and 1 ringgit for subsequent hours. It is applied during weekday and weekends. Next is Premier Car Park. During Monday until Friday, for the first 2 hours, they charge 7 ringgit with the subsequent hour 3 ringgit. However, during weekends and public holiday, they charge 10 ringgit for the first 2 hours and the subsequent hour is 3 ringgit. If the ticket is damaged, there is penalty charged to the customers as much as 10 ringgit, while for the lost ticket penalty, the customers will be charged as much as 30 ringgit. As for the overnight parking charges, the customers need to pay 30 ringgit. It will be charged after 4 am until 6 am the next day and including normal parking rates.